In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a third-party payment provider to Squarespace. Now, integrating a payment provider can initially seem a bit daunting, but I promise you, with this step-by-step guide, it will be both easy and efficient. This process is crucial if you're looking to offer your customers more flexibility in their payment options, ultimately enhancing their shopping experience and increasing your potential for sales. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to your Squarespace homepage. This is your primary hub where you can manage different aspects of your website. To get there, you could either bookmark your homepage for quick access or simply enter the URL directly in your web browser. Once you've arrived at your homepage, you'll notice a search bar. It's usually positioned in a prominent spot, making it easy to find. Go ahead and click on that search bar. This is a handy tool that makes navigational tasks much simpler on the platform, especially when you have particular sections you want to access quickly. In the search bar, type the word Payments. This will direct you to the part of Squarespace where all your payment settings and options are located. The idea here is to streamline your focus directly to payment-related features without having to sift through unrelated settings. Once you've typed Payments and pressed Enter, you should see the Payments option popping up in your search results. Click on it to proceed. This will lead you into the Payments section where you can manage existing options, or, as we're doing today, add new ones. In this section, take a moment to review the different payment provider options available. Squarespace integrates with several well-known providers, giving you the flexibility to choose the one that best suits your needs. When you've decided on a payment provider, the next action is to click the Connect button. This is usually prominent and easy to locate. After clicking Connect, you'll be guided through the connection process. Each provider might have slightly different steps, so make sure to follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Here, you'll enter your payment details or any necessary information that the provider requires. It's essential that you input accurate information to ensure that transactions on your site can run smoothly. And that's it. By following these steps, you now have a third-party payment provider integrated into your Squarespace site. This allows you to give your customers more diverse ways to pay, which can be a significant advantage. If you ever need to change providers or update details, you can revisit these steps, safe in the knowledge that you're in control of your e-commerce setup. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling on Squarespace.